In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Notion and set up your first workspace. Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write notes, manage projects, and collaborate with a team, all in one place. We'll walk through the sign-up process together and end with a few simple customizations so you feel confident the first time you land on your dashboard. First, open your web browser and head to Notion's homepage. On the front page, look for the Get Notion Free button and click it. This takes you straight into the account creation flow. You can create an account using your email address or sign in with your Google or Apple account if you prefer a quicker setup. Pick the option you're most comfortable with. If you choose email, Notion may send a confirmation message to verify it's really you. Check your inbox, and if you don't see it right away, peek in your promotions or spam folders. Click the verification link or enter the code provided to continue. Next, Notion will ask for your name and how you plan to use the tool. Options like personal, school, or work. This doesn't lock you in. It just helps Notion suggest relevant templates and a starting layout. After that, you'll name your workspace. Choose something descriptive, like My Projects for Personal Organization, or Team Workspace, if others will collaborate with you. Don't worry, you can rename it later. You'll now see an option to invite teammates by entering their email addresses. Invite people if you already know who needs access, or click Skip to continue on your own. You can always add collaborators later, and they'll only see what you choose to share within your workspace. Give Notion a moment to create your workspace dashboard. You might see a brief loading screen while it sets up your starter content. When it's ready, take a minute to review the pages Notion adds automatically. These sample pages highlight how notes, tasks, and databases can work, and they're great for learning by example. Open them, click around, and notice the simple building blocks: text, headings, to-dos, and more. Now, let's personalize things. Create your first page from the sidebar and give it a clear name. Add an icon to make it easy to spot at a glance, and change the cover image to match your style or project theme. Small visual touches make navigation faster and more enjoyable. From here, you can keep adding pages for different areas of your life or work and rearrange them in the sidebar to fit your flow. And that's it. Your Notion account is live, your workspace is set, and you're ready to build.